In today's video, I'm answering your most asked questions about Meclay London Lustrous Shine Shampoo. After thoroughly testing it over time, I will cover how it works for different hair needs, how long it takes to see results, and everything you need to know before using it. So let's dive in and break it all down.